Hello everybody, it's Natasha, and in today's video I'm going to show you the brand new Fix-It Grammar cards. If you follow IEW, you know that they just gave these away during their 12 days of Christmas. Make sure you follow IEW the 12 days following Christmas because they give away so many awesome things, and on the last day it's always a physical product. So I did not pay anything for these cards and no shipping, nothing. They sent to my house for free. I love IEW. I am an IEW affiliate, so I do have an affiliate link. I actually have a website with them where you can take a look at some of my favorite products. Plus, it helps me when you purchase through my link, so I appreciate that. Now, Fix-It Grammar, I love. You guys know that if you've been around here a while. I have some flip throughs on Fix-It Grammar and tons of other IEW products. I'll leave my IEW playlist down below. However, they have just updated Fix-It Grammar. I actually have a new Fix-It Grammar coming to show you guys, and I can't wait to do that. And so I'll do that when it gets here. But for now, let's take a look at their Fix-It Grammar cards. There's 30 full color grammar cards that highlight key grammar concepts for quick and easy reference. Okay, so in the previous versions of Fix-It Grammar, their cards are kind of included in the back of the book and you cut them out. But here, we've got these gorgeous cards that are so beautiful. And the G number on each card refers to a page number on the Fix-It Grammar glossary found in the teacher's manual. That is amazing. So, and then we get grammar cards games. So we can go here to fix dash games for game instructions. Isn't that awesome? Okay, so then let's look at our card. So we've got the 8 parts of speech and then the noun test, the blank to blank. And then it gives some explanation on the back. And then pronouns. It's just showing you it replaces a noun. See that? These are amazing. Okay, so now I'm going to go through these quickly so you can see the rest of them. I hope that was helpful to you. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you love all things homeschool.